Hello everyone and welcome back to NewTuber Advice. This is part 2 and in this video we're going to be talking about pretty much like the first few videos that you do on your channel. So in the first part I was talking about how to start your channel, of what videos you're doing, what kind of series you're going to be making, or all of that sort of thing. Mentioned before about video games. Obviously, I'm a huge video game person, so if you're doing games, then fair enough, then good luck to you. So, yeah, we're going to be talking about what sort of things you are using for your sort of like videos. So, are you using a good microphone? Are you doing good quality? And are your videos really good to watch and all of that sort of thing? And then the other thing is, what are you doing them on? What are you doing them on? Are you doing them on like on Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or anything like that? Like, what are you doing on there? So yeah, so it basically sort of like means like, what are you going to be doing for sort of your videos? Like, so it all depends like what your quality is going to be on the videos from kind of your series you are making. So it all depends like what game you're playing as well. Like, is it going to be like a story game? Is it like Minecraft, for example? Is it Roblox? You know, or anything like that. So yeah, so it all depends like how your videos are going on at the moment. So I think my advice I would probably take from you anyway, it might not be the greatest advice in the world. Obviously because I am only 25, as I've mentioned. Is basically just keep sort of going with what you're creating at the moment. So if it's like a very good Minecraft video that you're making, then make another one. If it's on Roblox, the thing that I found with Roblox is there's just so many like games on there. So if there's a game that you really like playing on Roblox, then do some more videos on it, or just find some more games that you like, or anything like that. So I think my advice I would probably take for you all is just carry on what you're doing and see if you're enjoying it. And if your first few videos are very good to watch, then fair enough, then carry on doing them. If they're not very good and they are very low quality, and they're not very good, and if people are not enjoying watching them, then I would recommend you trying to do like very like sort of high quality videos, if you can do high quality videos, if you can. If you've got like a very powerful PC, then fair enough, then your videos will be very good. And as I mentioned, if you're doing it on console, whatever that is, then make sure the quality's very good on them as well. So yeah, I'll just recommend you just carry on doing what you're doing, and if you're not enjoying it, then I would recommend maybe starting a new series, and do whatever you want to do on there. But personally, I mainly want to talk about games. Like, I'm not really bothered about anything else. Like, games is like the most quality thing. If you're a gaming person like what I am, and if you're starting a gaming channel, just see what game you want to play, and if you've already done some videos on it already, then I would recommend carry on playing that game and see if you enjoy it. Because when I started my channel, I started with Minecraft because I was a huge Minecraft person back in the day, like 2010, 2011. I was a really big Minecraft person, and it got to the stage where I wanted to do videos on it because I did really enjoy it, and obviously I've done that now, and I enjoy it. So yeah, whatever game you are playing, if it's not Minecraft or Roblox, if it's like a different type of game, then I would probably just recommend you carry on playing it and see where you are and all of that. And see if you enjoy it. So yeah, I just recommend you carry on playing it and do videos on it and all of that, and see where they go as well. So yeah, that's pretty much this video here. I'm going to be talking about like lengths and stuff in the next video. Like to see what length of videos you are doing and all of that. So I'll be talking about that in the next video. But that's pretty much part 2. So that's kind of me going over like the first few videos you guys are making, and recommending the like quality and all of that sort of thing. Hopefully my advice has been good. Hopefully. So let me know. So yeah, that's pretty much part 2. So in the next part, I'm gonna be going like deeply into YouTube in the next one. So hopefully you will enjoy that. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next part. Bye.